Hello learners, welcome to this course, Workshop Technology Practices. I'm your trainer, Mirera Boniface. Thank you all, and this is our course review. First, we'll look at the course description, and secondly, we have learning outcomes. So under learning outcomes, we have perform masonry tasks. Also, we have performing plumbing tasks, we have performing carpentry tasks, and also performing electrical operations. So we also have course requirements. Under masonry tasks, we have bricklaying, block laying, and surface finishing. Under plumbing services, we have pipe installation, fixture installation, and maintenance. Also under carpentry tasks, we have measurement and layout, we have joinery, and assembly. These are building basic structures such as shelves, tables, or frames. We have also, at the end of the course, you have a course assessment. So this course will have both summative and formative assessments. So the first one, it is assignment, which is 20% out of 100. We also have a cut, which is also 20% out of 100. And lastly, we'll have end of course assessment, which is 60%. So it will add up to 100. So for any problem, you can contact your trainer, that is Mirera Boniface. We also have a help desk, as the number has been shared here and in our learning management system. So learner, you are required to carry out various interactive activities, participate in the discussion forum so that it can add up to your end term exam. Thank you for being cooperative and thank you for being attentive. I wish you well in your course.